trenches and horses to drones and hypersonic missiles. Here are 7 conflicts that changed warfare forever. World War I showed the deadly shift to industrial warfare. Armies began with outdated tactics like mass charges and cavalry, but modern weapons made them ineffective. Soldiers dug massive trench systems across Europe. Life in trenches was brutal: mud, disease, and constant shelling. Between lines was no man's land, filled with barbed wire and machine gun fire. Horses were still used for transport, but they couldn't survive against modern weapons. This war became slow and static, proving defense was stronger than offense. This war shifted back to movement. Fighting spread across huge areas, forcing flexible tactics. A key innovation was the Tachanka, a horse-drawn carriage with a Maxim machine gun. It combined speed and firepower, allowing rapid attacks. Armies used hit-and-run tactics and constant repositioning. Warfare was no longer fixed, it was mobile again. This conflict showed strategy could beat strength. Communist forces relied on guerrilla warfare, small units using ambushes and terrain to their advantage. Mountains and villages became cover. Instead of direct battles, they focused on surprise and disruption. Weapons evolved too, including mountain artillery and later American tanks. The war showed adaptability mattered more than size. World War II transformed warfare completely. Germany used blitzkrieg, combining tanks, planes, and infantry for fast, overwhelming attacks. New tech changed everything. Radar detected enemies, jet aircraft increased speed, and aircraft carriers dominated the seas. Then came the atomic bomb, capable of destroying entire cities. Warfare became faster, more advanced, and far more destructive. The Korean War introduced modern combat elements. Jet dogfights replaced older air battles. Psychological warfare spread through propaganda. Early night vision allowed fighting after dark. War was becoming more technological and strategic. Vietnam showed that technology couldn't guarantee victory. The Viet Cong used tunnels to survive and launch surprise attacks. Jungle terrain gave them an advantage. The U.S. used defoliation, napalm, and Agent Orange to expose enemies. Helicopters enabled fast troop movement, creating air-mobile warfare. This war proved unconventional tactics could defeat stronger forces. By 2026, warfare became faster and more automated. The U.S. deployed hypersonic missiles, striking targets in minutes. Drones dominated combat, including systems like Lucas, designed to attack or intercept other drones. Combat shifted toward AI, speed, and precision. Soldiers were less involved directly, while machines handled more of the fight. Warfare has changed rapidly, and it's still evolving. What comes next?